This video explains how to get the week number of a datetime object using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the datetime module, as you can see in the first line of code, and then we need to create an example datetime object using the datetime constructor, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code I'm creating a new date and time object that is called myDate, and then I'm printing this date and time object below the code box, and then you can see that our example date and time object contains the 9th of March 2022 at 12:16:45. Now let's assume that we want to return the week number of this datetime object. Then we can apply the isocalendar function, as you can see in the next line of code. And then after the isocalendar function, we also need to use square brackets and specify the value 1. And in this case, I'm creating a new data object based on the isocalendar function that I'm calling week number. And then I'm printing the week number below the code box. So as you can see, the date 9th of March 2022 has the week number 10. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.